If you want to give your YouTube intros a little bit of cinematic feel, this tutorial we're going to show you how to make the intro that you just saw. What we're going to start off with is a blank canvas here in CapCut. We have our video footage here. You can use any video footage that you want. I've just chosen this one, so we're going to add it into our track, and video footage is 13 seconds long. That's perfectly fine. So we're going to go over to here to text, and we're going to just add a default text, and we're going to make it around about 6 seconds. So there we go. And then in that default text, we're going to just go in and type in a capital I, and we're going to change it to a nice bold font, something that is nice and wide. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to also change the color of the font to black. So we're just going to drag this all the way down to it's black. And then we're going to go into the little text box, and we're just going to increase the box as much as we can. And then we're going to go up to the font size here, and we're just going to make the font as big as it needs to be so that we've got a completely black background. We're then going to go over to our text and add another layer of text. We're going to use the same font, and this text, it can be whatever you want. Because this is a CapCut tutorial, I'm just going to name it CapCut. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to make it as big as we want to make it. So that looks good. And we're going to drag this to the same length as our first layer. Okay, so now that we've got this done, what we're going to do with our two text layers here, we're going to drag the mouse over them so that they're both highlighted. And then we're going to right click, and and we're going to just turn this into a compound clip. Beautiful. Okay, now that this is a compound clip, we can go to video, and in the remove background tool, we're going to go to chroma key, and we're going to just go on to the color picker here, and then that will now allow us to select whatever we want. So we're going to select the writing, and we go in and have a look, and if you see right here, it doesn't look like it's completely cut all of it out. So we're just going to increase the intensity to, I would say, 60. And then if we go back in and have a look, okay, still not perfect. So we'll just go and do 80. And then we can go back and have a little look. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to create a duplicate clip. So we're just going to copy, go to the line above, and paste it so that we have our duplicate layers. Now we're going to go to the 2-second mark in our video here. So that will be there. And then we're going to highlight both of them again and click on this little split icon. So that's going to make a split at mark 2 seconds in our video. What we're then going to do is we're going to go to each individual video, and we're going to click on mask, and we're going to add a split mask. So that's the first one done. We'll go to the second one, do the exact same thing, add a mask, go to split mask, and we're going to rotate this one to 180 degrees so that it's showing us the full writing. Then in our video, we're going to put a keyframe at the beginning of both videos. So we have keyframes right there, and then we're going to let this play through. And then when we get to the end, which is just go one frame back there, we are then going to drag this first layer up so that the text disappears, and that will automatically apply a keyframe there. We're going to go to the second layer. We're going to drag this layer all the way down, and that, as you see, will highlight another keyframe there. And if we go through and have a look at that and see how that looks, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And if you want to add your own audio to give it a little bit of, make it something a little bit special for yourself, you can add in anything that you would like to. So let's listen to this and see what this. Okay, that seems to work okay. So we'll just add that in. We will scroll out so that we've getting to the end of the track here, and we're going to just go on to the track, and we're going to drag it to the end of our clip here, and then we can see how that looks. Pretty good. And that is how to add a cinematic text intro to your YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if there is anything that you would like to see me show next, if there's anything that you would like to learn about, then let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.